What's up, kinks? It is NappyFu all up on your screen, and today is a That Nap Life video. Is there a hairstyle that you think look cute on others, but not so much on yourself? Well, today I'm doing one of those styles. I'm not a fan of the straight back style on me. Maybe it's a big head thing, a big forehead thing, I don't know. But technically, I shouldn't let that stop me, right? Well, on that note, here we go. Let's get into this style. Y'all ready? NappyFu checking in. Lego. Welcome back, Team Kinks, and thanks for letting me be all up on your screen once again. If you happen to be new to this channel, I hope you like today's video and you consider joining Team Kinks. The clip-ins that I'm using in today's video was the same ones that I did the quality test on from Hergivenhair. I had answered a curious question that I had on whether or not influencers receive better quality than others. Make sure you check that video out so you can have more details about the clip-ins I'm using today. Today's sponsors is Hergivenhair. Since I am using their clip-ins, you know, they was willing to sponsor a girl. Okay, so let's go ahead and get started into these clip-ins. We got to start with cleaning it and prepping it. Because I received these clip-ins in a color that does not match my hair, we're going to have to color it. Starting off with the shampoo, of course, you got to clean up, clean the dirty out the hair. Okay, making sure it is well cleansed before it touches my scalp, my hair. Take no chances. Even if the company says we wash it before we send it to you, I beg, please, let me wash it again. I beg, please, no insult, no darling, no vex, please. Anywho, when you are ready to color your hair using semi-permanent, you have to wear gloves, y'all. Do not use, some people still color with no gloves and they get stained all over their fingers. But if your nails are looking cute, like mine looking cute, you don't want to take that chance, okay? Anyway, I'm using the Adore off black color. Adore is a very popular semi-permanent color you can find in your local beauty supply store. I will go ahead and put a link in the description box where you can find it online, okay? So I'm just pretty much working this color in, making sure it gets every single strand so nobody is left behind, okay? And so now that it's all set, I'm going to put it into a plastic bag and let the color soak in and set. Here we are 45 minutes later. I'm going to rinse everything out and now I'm going to condition it. When it comes to my weave and wigs and all that kind of stuff, I like to use rinse out conditioner. So I'll use Aussie Moist, I would use Tresemme, I would use Suave Professionals. Those are my three top favorite. Oh, and Herbal Essence. Those are my three favorite ones. So, or my four favorite brands to use on my weave and wigs. I don't really use it on my hair that often, but you know, if I do, it'll still be one of those. All right, y'all. So we're done. Hair is colored. 1B is going to match mine, and that is what we're looking for. Now we are ready to go ahead and get the clip-in extravaganza started and style it. So as you can see, the clip-ins took to the color really well. 1B, that's the way to be. No, I'm just joking. I really like how defined these coils are on these clip-ins. The beauty of clip-ins is that you really can make whatever style you want, okay? I'm going to get my front section sectioned off to go ahead and accomplish today's look. As I stated before, that one hairstyle you always think you look weird on, and how I told y'all I have one, it's the straight back ponytail style. I absolutely love it on other people, but I've always been kind of reluctant to try it on myself. But we're going to go ahead and bust that bubble today, okay? So as you can see, I'm just taking different number of clip-ins, the 4-1, the 4-comb one, 3-comb one, and just working my way up. I'm spacing it about 2 fingers apart because I don't want it too full. You know, I don't want the ponytail too thick. I also don't want it too thin. So keep that in mind when you are going to use clip-ins. Make sure you gauge and measure, you know, what you want the outcome to be. So let me go ahead and work my front. I've had two strand twists in my hair probably the whole week. I had it in two cornrows underneath the wig. I'm gonna brush out my front so that it can be smooth when I do slick it back. The more stretched out it is, the easier it'll be for me to do such things. So whoa. I'm giving y'all too much realness here, okay? You know, looking back at this right now, this look right here alone is pretty cute, but I was dedicated to doing the slick back style. As you can see, I maneuvered or I fingered through the clip-ins to give it some more volume, because again, I want that for the final look. I'm gonna use Eco Styler gel. I didn't want to use any hard gel. I wanted something light that will come out of my hair easy. It will not make my hair feel like, you know, cement hard. I know a lot of people like to use the Got To Be glue gel, especially on the kinkier texture. And I use it too sometimes, but on this look, I want it to be soft, but as sleek as possible. Y'all haven't noticed, I don't really do sleek that much, you know what I'm saying? So I'm trying to improve in that area. All right, so we're gonna pull this all the way back. We double banded it with the rubber band, or with the ponytail holder. I'm putting more gel. Now, as far as laying my edges, y'all already know how I feel about that. So whatever baby hair wants to naturally and easily come out, that's what I'm gonna that's what I'm allowing to come out and hang out with me, okay? Okay, so my little bit of baby hairs is out there, okay? Got the gel working on the hair. We have to get all that flat, okay? Y'all already know what we gotta do to do that. Use a scarf, okay? So I'm gonna let this set as I finish getting ready for work. All right, y'all, so it's been about 30 minutes and let me take this off. Wow, that's straight back. This hairstyle might not look as bad as I think it does. Hairstyle is cute itself. It's it on me. You know what I'm saying? Straight back styles really does bring all your face out. And I think don't get it twisted. She cute, but I just feel like straight back style it's like a vulnerable style. You know, it puts you out there. You know what I'm saying? And I do have a tendency to not want to be so vulnerable, or I'm not comfortable in vulnerable situations. Whatever, I don't know. But we're about to do it today. All right, and this is a no foundation look. I have concealer on. It's it, eyeliner, mascara, little eyebrow, little lip gloss. Little bit of blush. That's it. I'm keeping it simple. I ain't got time. All right, let me be on my way to work before I'm late. So 3 hours into work, I thought it'd be kind of cool to do a little clip and just check in, see what kind of reactions I've been getting and how I'm feeling about the hair now that I'm, you know, all out and about with it. Okay, so I got to work about 3. Right now it's 6 o'clock. The reactions I've had so far were, did you cut your hair? Then they get closer, like, oh, okay, you didn't cut your hair. Like you was bald. That's what somebody said. And then somebody who actually knows me beyond works was like, you do like your brother right now. I had someone that said they actually like the slick back look on me. It does bring out the features of my face, and they think I have a very pretty face. I'm like, thank you. But you know what, y'all? Most importantly, I'm starting to like it. And it's not as a big deal as I thought it was. Like, I don't look bad with straight back hair. You know what I'm saying? It's all about how you rock it. I'm starting to feel comfortable. It's very free, like hair off my face. Like, I'm starting to like this. And that's what's most important. I think the clip-ins held up very well for this style. It looks like my hair. And that is one of the beautiful things and convenient things about clip-ins. Like, not only can you clip it into your hair any type of way you want, but look at that. It really blends in very well. And that's what clip-ins are for. That's why some of us naturals love it. Ooh, girl, you better work that shoulder. Ponytail got me feeling myself. Sometimes you really could be your worst critic and you have no reason to be. So today just kind of reiterates that it's not really the look per se, it's the confidence behind it. Be confident in yourself. If you are confident in yourself, you can rock anything, right? I know I struggle with that. I feel like sometimes certain things just make me look off, make me look weird, but that's all in my mind. Of course, it just depends on the situation. You know what I'm saying? Like, I would look weird with an earring going from this end to this end. Like, I can't be doing that in my life. But there's just certain things that actually might boost your features, and you're thinking it will diminish it. Just give it a try. See what happens. And it might change your mind. Oh, well, straight back style, I don't look as weird as I thought. So, you might see more of it. You know what I'm saying? I don't know what I'm saying. Well, now we have come to today's NapChat question. I want to know from you, Team Kinks. Give me one popular hairstyle, or maybe it's not that popular, whatever it be, that one hairstyle you say to yourself you will never do in your natural hair. Let me know what style it is and why don't you want to try it. Remember, your response would definitely help another kink out. Thanks in advance. I hope you enjoyed today's video. If you did, please go ahead and help your girl out by hitting that subscribe button, and make sure you hit the bell right next to it so you can be notified the next time that I am all up on your screen. Also, if you're bored during the week, come on and hang out with me on Instagram, Snapchat, Facebook, all of that, all of that. And I will catch you on the next one. Until then, my sister, my brother, my cousin, my friend, my mentor, my nail tech, my hairstylist, which is me. I don't have any real hairstylist. What am I saying? I don't even know how to do that. In order to have healthy hair, mind, body, soul, everything, you got to do healthy things consistently. NappyFu checking out. Deuces.
If I told you you were, if I told you you were, if I told you you were beautiful, beautiful. If I told you you were beautiful, beautiful. If I told you you were beautiful, beautiful. If I told you you were, if I told you you were, if